Okay, let's see what is angle sum property. So if we want to understand the angle sum property, first of all, we have to understand that what is this interior angle. So if I make a triangle over here, let's say something like this, right? Then there are two types of angle. One which is inside the triangle, something like this, and another which are outside, let's say this one. Similarly for this point, oh sorry, that's a circle. So similarly for this points, let's say this one is a interior angle, then what will be the exterior angle? The exterior angle will be something like this. For this point, if I say that this green one is the interior angle, then what can be the exterior one? The exterior one can be this one. Just like that, for each and every triangle which I have made over here, for everyone there is one exterior and one interior angle for every vertices. Now what? Now why we are understanding about the interior angle is because this angle sum property is only applicable when we are talking about the interior angle, not about the exterior one. Now, if you have studied or if you have understood what is an interior angle and exterior angle, let's understand what is an angle sum property. So I can just explain you again if you want to that what is an exterior angle, because this is a confusing thing. Let's say this is a triangle this time. So you must understand that if this is A, B and C, okay. So in this case, what will be the interior one? Simple, very simple words. I can say that angle which is inside the triangle will be the interior one, while the angle which is outside, you see this one is the angle which is outside. This is outside angle. This one is also an outside angle, right? So these outside angles are actually exterior one. If you do not understand what is an exterior angle, it's fine. For now, you can just understand about what is an interior one. So what will be an interior one? The one angle which is inside the triangle will be called as the interior one. You just have to focus on interior right now. If you do not understand about exterior, it's fine. But understanding interior is compulsory. And what is interior? The angle which is inside the triangle. Now let's talk about the angle sum property. What is the angle sum property? It simply says that the angle sum property state that the sum of interior angle. So first thing is clear that you have to add up the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Wow, it's a good thing that when you will be adding up the interior angle, for example, if I talk about this first triangle that is ABC, in this case, what are the interior angle? First is the angle BAC. Then second is the angle ABC. Then the third is the angle ACB. You see, all of the angles are equals to 60 degree in this case. So you can also say that is it an equilateral triangle? Yes, it is an equilateral triangle. Now, see this thing. What is going to happen if you will add up all the interior angles? That is 60 plus 60 plus 60. You can take out your calculators and check that the sum of them will be equals to 180 degrees. So what do we mean by this? We say that angle sum property is saying that the sum of interior angle will be equals to 180 degree. Is it coming out to be equals to 180 degree? Yes, it is coming out to be equals to 180 degree. Let's try on to a different type of triangle for this one. Let's name this one as P, Q and R. How many angles are there? First of all, there are three again. One is PRQ, this one R1, that is 120 degree, that is equals to 120 degree. What is another angle then? Then another one is RPQ. What is the value for that? That is 30 degree. Then also there is one more angle, that is angle RQP, which is equals to 30 degree once again. Now the angle sum property says that when you are going to add all the three interior angle, you will be finding out the sum is equals to 180 degree. So let's add it up and see, is it 180 degree? So it should be 0, then 3 and 3 is 6, then 6 plus 2 is 8. So I can place 8 over here and the 1. Is it coming out to be 180 degree? Yes, it is coming out. Let's see on the next diagram also, or in the next triangle also. Let's name it as A, B and C. So first of all, there are three angles. One is this angle A. So I can write angle A as angle BAC. Then there is angle ABC, angle ABC. Acha, what is the value for angle BAC? The angle value for BAC is equals to 50 degree. What is the value for angle ABC? ABC is equals to 90 degree. While what is the value for angle ACB? Angle ACB is equals to 40 degree. Now again, we just have to check this thing, that is the sum coming out to be equals to 180 degree. So see 0. Then you must know this thing that 9 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 4 is what? Can you tell me the answers? So we see that this also is equals to 180 degree. Now let's move to the another triangle also. See, till now we have discussed about the three triangle, and for all of these three we find out that the angle sum property is working, that the sum of the interior angle is coming out to be 180 degree. See how simple the angle sum property is. It is just showing out this thing that the sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degrees, right? Okay, let's do for this angle also. Now you can tell me for this one and this one, that is the sum of the interior angle coming out to be equals to 180 for these two or not? Also tell me in the comment section what is your answer, and then I will solve it. So first let's see about this diagram now, if you have done it. That is, let's name it as P, Q and R. So there are obviously three angles. First angle is angle P, so we can write it as Q, PR. Then the next angle is angle Q, so you can write it as PQR. And the next angle, the last angle is angle PRQ. If you will see what is the angle for value for angle P, it is 40 degree. What about angle Q? It is 110 degree. What about angle R? It is equals to 30 degree. If you will find out the sum of it, you must have found out this thing, that it is also equals to 0. Sorry, 180 degree. It is also coming out to be equals to 180 degree. If you will do it for the last figure also, you will find out that 60 degree plus 70 degree plus 50 degree will be also equals to 180 degree. So we find out that what is the sum angle sum property. It just tells us about that if you are going to find out the sum of the interior angle, it is going to come out to be equals to 180 degree. Now let's do one thing. Let's change the question a little bit and see how we can find the questions, right? What kind of questions there will be. Okay, so what is happening in all of these figures now? I have removed one angle. In this one, I have removed A. In this one, I have removed P. In this one, again, I have removed A technically. But in all of them, I have removed one angle. Now, what is our question? We know that the sum of all the interior angle is equals to 180 degree. And we need to find that what value should come out to be over here and over here, like in each one of them. Now, I will be solving one and then you try to do the next. For that, let's start with the first one. So now let's see how to find the value of this angle A. We know this thing, that if you are going to find the sum of all of these three angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C, it's going to become out to be equals to 180 degree. Now we know the value for angle B. We do not know the value for angle A, so let's copy angle A like this only. You can write it directly like angle A, or you can also write the same thing like this, that is angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB, which is equals to 180 degree. Quite the same thing. I will be using this thing because it will be easier to write. You can write the downward also, right? You can write this one also. I will be writing this. Okay, now see, we know the value for, do we know the value for angle A? No, we do not. So we will write it angle A only. Do we know the value for angle B? Yes, we know that it is equals to 60 degree. Then again, do we know the value for angle C? Yes, we know it is also equals to 60 degree. Do we know the sum of all of them? Yes, we know the sum of all of them is equals to 180 degree. Now using this, we will be finding out the value for angle A. How do we do it? First of all, we are going to add these two values. When we will add up, we will write angle A is equals to 60 plus 60 is 120 degree, which is equals to 180 degree. Again, I'm telling you that what is our target? Our target is to find the value for this angle which is missing. For that, what we have done, we have done angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. From the angle sum property, we know this thing. Then we have just replaced the value. At the place of angle A, we do not know anything, so we have just written angle A only. At the place of angle B, we have written 60 degree, and at the place of angle C, we have written 60 degree again, and we know that the sum of them is equals to 180 degree. Now what are we going to do? We know we need to find the value for angle A. For that, we need to take this 120 on the other side. If you will take this 120 on the other side, you can see that this 120 is a positive number. So when you will take on the other side, it will be turned into negative 120. Now, when you will solve it, you will find out the 180 minus 120 is what? It is equals to 60 degree. Hence, you have found out that what is the value for angle A. Angle A is equals to 60 degree. Now, you can try the next one. If you are not able to do, I'm solving it, no worries. Okay, so let's see how we will do the second question. Again, the same thing. There are three angles. According to the angle sum property, sum of angle P plus angle Q plus angle R should comes out to be equals to 180 degree. This is what angle sum property said, that if you will add up these three angles, the sum will be come out to be 180 degree. So this thing we know. Now what we have to find, we need to find the value for angle P. So it means we do not know the value for angle P, but do we know the value for angle Q? Yes, we do know. What is the value? That is 30 degree. Then do we know the value for angle R? Yes, we know that this angle is equals to 120 degree. Then do we know the value for 180? Yes, we know. We can just copy it down, right? Okay. Now what we have to do, as I have told you in the previous question also, first you will add up these values. So you will get angle P plus what is 120 plus 30? It is equals to 150, and which is equals to 180. Okay, now if you want to find the value for angle P, you have to take this 150 on the other side. As this 150 is positive on this side, when it will go on the other side, it will be negative. So we can write angle P is equals to 180 degree minus 150 degree. What the value comes out for the angle P? The angle P comes out to be equals to 30 degree. So the value for angle P is nothing but the 30 degree. This is how the simple question is. Now try the third one. If you won't be able to do, I'm solving it. Now these three questions, as you can see on the board, that is question number 3, 4 and 5, you have to try it at home. In the next video of the triangles, we will be dealing with this. Thank you for watching.